It's great camera. You can get this much superb camera. Welcome back to Users India. It's me Harsh. So guys, in this video I had came with a new video of unboxing my new camera. Not so costly, only 1035 or something, and 500 rupees for delivery. It's very least cost and high quality. I like this. You can look, it's Camcorder. You can take photos, you can take videos, you can record your voice, audio or voice. So I'm going to unbox this. My god. Great camera, small camera, HD, great looking, great camera, 0.0 megapixel, manual book, you should read it before you use it, charger, USB cable, adapter. Features, CMOS sensor is there, full HD, 1800p, quality, 16.0 megapixels, this HD, and memory card you can expand to 32 GB, I had put on 8 GBs, there's the battery. So this is the charging port. And this is the owning port. When you press it hard, 1 or 2 seconds, it will on, the device will on. This is the place where you should start the video and end the video. This is the thing you can close up, 16x is there. T to zoom in, W to zoom out. OK button, 4 buttons are there. After owning this, I will show you. This is menu and mode. So I'm going to on this device. Welcome. It's great. If you look, we can put the hand over here. If you've seen Mr. Bean movie, Mr. Bean Holidays, you may know this camera. You can look, this is great. You can get this much superb camera, this much low price. It's cheap. So I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to take a photo. Click here. For looking the videos or photos, you should click this right button. You can view it. Great. This OK button is to play and stop the video which you had recorded. Menu, if you click menu, you can delete. So what is the use of mode? Using the mode, you can change the mode. Now it is in camera. Next we can go on to video. Now it's in video mode. If you click once more in recording mode, there's a flash present here. Mic, here's a speaker. So this is the LED to represent your device is on. This is the slot where you should put the SD card. And another feature, you can change the screen monitor like this. 270 degree you can change. If you're taking like the shots, upper shots, you can see it. I was waiting for months because of coronavirus. This did not came. I was waiting. After that I get this. You can take it for travel. And also this is a great camera. It's looking great. I like this camera so much because cheap and super. So guys, I think you like this video, then please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, see you next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Length is equal to 9.88 mm video length. So I didn't see that. See you next video. Till then, thanks for watching.